In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Etsy seller account. We'll walk through the process step by step, so by the end, you'll know exactly how to get from a regular Etsy account to a shop that's ready to set up. Make sure you're already signed into Etsy before you begin, so you don't get interrupted by login screens. Start by going to the main Etsy website in your browser. This is your Etsy Marketplace dashboard, the homepage where you usually browse for items. Give it a moment to load and make sure you can see the usual navigation bar at the top of the page. Now, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your account profile area there. This might appear as your profile picture, your initials, or a generic user icon, depending on how your account is set up. Click on that profile area to open the account menu. From the drop-down menu that appears, find and click on the option that says Sell on Etsy. This is the link that takes you into Etsy's selling and shop creation flow. Once you click it, you'll be redirected to a page dedicated to new and existing sellers. On this page, look for a prominent button that says Get Started and click it. Etsy will now begin walking you through a short onboarding process to understand who you are as a seller and what you plan to do on the platform. Next, you'll see a welcome screen with a button that says Let's do this. Go ahead and click that to move forward. This confirms that you're ready to begin setting up your seller account. Etsy will now ask, what brings you to Etsy? You'll see several answer options, such as wanting to sell as a hobby or as a full-time business. Choose the option that best matches your current situation or goal. Don't stress too much about this. It's mainly for Etsy to tailor guidance and tips. Once you've selected your answer, click on Next to continue. The following screen asks what categories you're interested in. This might include things like handmade items, vintage goods, or craft supplies. Click on one or more categories that fit what you plan to sell. After you've made your selection, click Next again. Etsy will now show you a Start Your Shop button. Click on Start Your Shop to move into the actual shop setup phase. At this point, Etsy will ask you to begin filling out important information for your shop. This includes details like your shop preferences, name, and other settings. From here, you're officially in the process of creating your Etsy seller account and can continue customizing your new shop.